this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money with other people's videos that are not even yours, right? Now, one thing I want you guys to know is that I do not waste your time on this channel. I just go straight to the point and, show you guys everything, not like other YouTubers that show you unnecessary stuff, right? So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first site you want to go to is called twitch.tv. Now, everybody knows what Twitch is, but in case you don't know what Twitch is basically a place where people stream video games, as you guys can see. So let's just choose a video game we are going to look at today. So we're going to use Call of Duty, for example, right? So we're going to click on Call of Duty and it's going to open up this tab for us. Now, as you guys can see, these are all people that are streaming Call of Duty. As you guys can see, this guy is streaming, this guy is streaming. Basically, everybody's streaming Call of Duty here, right? So we're just gonna look for a good video that we like, that sounds interesting. So let's just take this one, for example. It says, Crazy Man plays Call of Duty, blah, 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 right? So what do you wanna do? What you wanna do is copy on the link, right click and click on copy link address. Now the next thing you want to do is go to this site called xex or exe.io rather. So exe.io, that's the name of the site, right? Now as you guys can see, it says shorten, share and earn money, and I believe you're getting the idea of where I'm driving towards. So as you guys can see, it says once you shorten the link of any site, you are going to get paid if someone clicks on it, right? So it has 3 easy steps. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, shorten your links. Step 3, earn money. It's really easy. So what you want to do is the link that we just copied from here, which is Crazy Man Plays Call of Duty, we are going to go to exe.io and paste the link here. For example, this is just a short example, and click on shorten. If you click on shorten, okay, it gives me error because I haven't logged in, but if you click on shorten, you get a short link. So I'm just going to show you guys an example. So in order to get started with this site, all you have to do is click on this sign up button here. So I'm just going to click that. Once you click that, you are going to get taken to you're going to be taken to this page, which is the registration page, right? Now it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, I did not waste your time. Username, email, password, confirm password. I believe you guys could do that because I'm not going to do all of that. I've done that before. So I am just going to log in right now and show you guys exactly what you need to see. So once you log in and you're in the dashboard, this is the page you're going to be getting, right? So what you want to do is click here on create link and then paste the link that we just copied from Call of Duty video, right? Which is this one, in case you forgot. So paste the link here on this place that says paste long URL and click on create. Now it's really simple. Just wait for it to do the magic. Just as you guys can see here, it has given you a short link. Our long link has turned into this short link. It's incredible, right? So you're going to be asking yourself, what are we going to do with this short link? Well, this is how we make money. But before I show you guys how we're going to make the money, I just want you guys to take a look at the rate in which this site pays, right? So as you guys can see, United States, any traffic you bring from United States, you're getting $8 from mobile, tablet or desktop, whatever, per 1,000 views. Same thing goes with Canada. Same thing goes with United Kingdom, France. They have their own rates, $6, $5.20, they all have their own rates. So I just wanted you guys to see the publisher rate before we started, right? Before we start the next process, right? But anyways, without further ado, no time to waste. The next site you want to go to is called forums.pcgamers.com. Now this is where the magic is going to be happening, right? Once you get to this site, you are just going to receive this homepage. It's really basic. So as you guys can see, it says PC gaming discussions. Now what happens on this site is a lot of people say a lot of things about games. They just discuss about games basically. So remember, we chose Call of Duty niche, right? So it falls under shooters. So we are going to click on shooters. For example, I'm just going to show you guys a quick example. So once you click on shooters, you get this page, right? Now these are all threads that people are posting about shooting games basically. So let's just take this one for example. As you guys can see, someone posted what is the best shooting game on PC, and you see This has a crazy amount of views, like 169,000 views and 120 replies. Now, are you thinking what I'm thinking? If you know what I'm thinking, you're supposed to know that you have to make your own post like this. I mean, you might not get 169,000 views, but hey, you might be getting 500 views, 400 views, even 2,000 views. That's a lot of views, considering the fact that once you take people to our site where we just shorten the link, you're gonna get paid if people click on that link. So what are you gonna do once you get on the site? It's basically simple. You post these kind of topics about games, which is Call of Duty. Come here, maybe the best new game 2022, best kills of Call of Duty. And once people view and click on the video link that you shared, it's gonna take them to another person's video, and basically you earn money from them using your shortened link. It's really easy, really easy and straight to the point. So once you come to the site, the next thing you want to do is click on register here, because you might be wondering how you're going to make a post or a thread rather. So click on register and it's going to take you to this page. Now, I'm not going to waste your time and show you all the unnecessary steps. Rather, username, email, and password. Register. It's really easy, and boom, once you register, you could start posting, and your post is going to be here. It's really easy. Now, one thing I would suggest, or one trick I would suggest, is you post a lot a day. Trust me, post more than 10 posts a day in order for you to get a viral post like this one that has 169,000 views. And you can imagine, let's go back to the payout. It says per 1,000 views you get paid $8. Imagine if this person here posted this and used the shortener link site, and he has 169,000 views. Let's say just 10,000 people clicked from that link. You can imagine he gets $8 times 10. That's a lot of money, right? Just from doing little work. So yeah, that's how you guys make this money, and a lot of people are using this method and it really works. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and let me know what country you're from so I could make videos about your country in order to make money. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys on another one.